Welcome to my second video where I'll be showing you more on how result builders work and the functionality of some of its methods. First, I just wanted to quickly show you that you can easily create a result builder that takes in a string component and returns a result with a different data type, such as an int. So let's get started in Xcode. I'm going to open up a new playground file. Call it string to int builder. Alright, let's start off by using the @result_builder annotation. I'll create a structure and we'll call it string to int builder. Remember that we always have to include a build block method. We'll want to take in a variadic string, and the variadic is just these 3 periods after the string. It just means that we'll be able to take in multiple components. It's similar to an array. And we want to return an int. Let's create a variable. We'll just name it int. And we want to take these components and we want to use the compact map feature. This will just take any of the integers that were entered as strings and it will input them into our result, and it will ignore any strings that are just strings without numbers in this situation. So we're going to take in the int, and we're going to use the $0 here, which just means it's just each of the components. We'll create another variable, let's call it result, and I'll initialize it to 0. And then we're going to take our int and put it in a for each loop, which will take our results and add them together. And then we'll return the result. So in order to use the string to int builder, let's create a function. I'll just call it build because that's fairly common to name it build. And you want to use the @string to int builder annotation here. And I'm going to just make a closure. I've just named it convert. That is going to return an int. Actually, this whole function is just going to return an int. And inside of this function, we want to invoke the convert closure. Now let's assign our result to our build function. And we can just add in some integers here as strings. Let's do 3. How about 5? 7. And then I'll just add a string that doesn't have any numbers. And we'll see what happens. And I would expect the result to just be 15 because it should ignore this string. And we'll see the moment of truth. A little error on my part. We want these to be just these brackets. And the result is 15. It works.